Hey Chicken Gang, in this video, something I want to talk about for a long time. So how did I know that the markets will go up last year? So this video is for those who are hodling to a lot of cash and uneasy about the markets. It may be the worst idea. I hope this video helps. Intro. Like my new intro? I'm lucky she said yes to my request for doing intro and outro videos. Her IG account was set to private last time, so let's spam her some follows. I'll link her account below. Back to the topic. What am I covering today will affect every single one of you. You could be a regular person, a poor person, or a rich donkey. It's still going to affect you. I do not know how to put it easier. Cash is trash. So let's talk M2 money. To simplify M2 money, it is the amount of money out there. The more central banks add money to the system, the higher this chart will go. If you want a more detailed explanation, I'll link a video below. M2 money is moving up faster than ever as central banks put more money into circulation. All the money has to go somewhere. This is how M2 money looks like for the US. In 2020, see that surge. This is M2 for Canada, this is UK, EU, Australia, and now Singapore. 2020 is a crazy year, and 2021 it's gonna be the same. Printing of money causes one thing and one thing only: inflation. Prices are going up. For the everyday people, you may not feel it. The cost of burgers didn't double. My delicious coffee didn't double. The cost of electronics dropped and services didn't double. Most people will not feel it. In fact, I would argue that it's deflationary. Deflation due to productivity, technology, and innovation. Amazon brought the cost of goods down drastically, and productivity and innovation brought the price down for electronics. Again, the money has to go somewhere. So where is the inflation? COVID hit, and instead of everything crashing, the opposite happened. What you learn in theory usually doesn't pass the real-world simulation. It's very important to see the big picture and understand a strategy you used 10 years ago may not be relevant. I was certain inflation is going to hit and identified that money would flow into stocks and real estate. It is by no accident that stocks are at high multiples. You look at real estate, look at this house. 10 years ago it was 100,000, now it's $1 million. So what changed? Nothing. The house didn't get 10 times better. So what's the point of this video? If you're able to see past all the crap, you understand that holding to cash is not a good idea. If you hold 10 to 20% cash, it's fine. Maybe because you like to optimize. Anything more is really a donkey move.
Don't be a donkey.
I know there are some boomer educators talking about hodling more cash. Let me ask you, will you listen to someone who talks only and not show you their long-term results? It's like learning dancing from me. These sour people are probably like holding on to dividend stocks and having pussy returns from the biggest bull market ever. They usually refer to the past, the dot-com bubble, the 08-09 financial crisis. Heck, if I invested during the peak of those periods and I held it, I would be rich. They simply do not understand that time in the market over timing the market. I simply do not care if the market drops for a month or two. Wrapping up. Ooh, I can't wait for my outro. Anyway, it's so clear. Central banks are printing. It doesn't get any clearer. If you can look past all the short-term drama, you're good to go. Can you imagine if you choose to ignore all the signs and work for 10 years without being invested, and suddenly the house you want to buy will double or triple in price while your salary remains at a constant? I feel really sad, and I hope in doing what I do, I bring financial empowerment to a lot of people. As always, I appreciate the thumbs up and supporting my causes, and invest safe. Sorry, my timing.